Want to align your elements side by side in Jetpack Compose? Let me show you how to do that. So basically, it's called a row. So before we start, make sure you're in the function where you want your elements to be side by side in. So we're just going to start off with row. And you should see a drop down button as such, just like this. Now, the parameters and the curly, okay, there it is. Before we put anything in the curly braces, we want to put some parentheses, just like this. And inside these parentheses, we're just gonna put our own modifier. And basically what a modifier is, it's us telling Android Studio, we want our row layout like this. We want it, either we want it bigger, we want it smaller, we want it this, and that. So we're just gonna put equal to modifier. But for me, I want it to fill the whole size so you can see our elements in action basically. Because as you can see right here, if you look to the right, it's this small layout. I want the layout to be big. So I'm gonna put dot fill max size. Now after the compiler generates that, you'll see that it'll take up the whole screen. So after that, I'm gonna put some other code inside of here because I want our text to be in the center. Now to do that, I'm going to do horizontal. And remember, Jetpack Compose is case sensitive. If you put it, there we go. Our page is now lighting up. So you have to remember, Jetpack Compose is case sensitive. If you were to put a capital H, it will give you something completely different. Now after that, we're gonna put arrangement dot center. We're gonna put a comma right here, and now we're gonna put vertical alignment equals alignment dot center vertically. And what this is doing is basically telling the text, I want you in the dead center, just like that. Now as this finished generating, you're probably wondering, why isn't our text in the middle? And that's because we didn't put it inside our curly braces yet. Do not forget to do this. Now we're gonna put it inside our curly braces, just as so. And I'm gonna put another text composable right here. Oh, I put two parentheses by accident. As you can see, our text is in the middle, but I want my text to be to the side. And since we already have the row layout function, this text should be to the side. I'm just gonna put hi, saying hi to my viewers. And after this preview finishes rendering, I'll cut to when it finishes rendering. We see that our hi is next to the hello Android. But you're probably wondering, why is it so close together? Can't we space it out? And yes, we can. So to do that, we'll have a spacer, and we're just gonna put our modifier so it can knows what to space out exactly. Let's put our modifier just like this. And then we're gonna do dot width, and inside we're gonna put 16 dp. You can put however number or size you want. I'm just putting 16 dp so you can see the difference. And this is basically like, let's say you want a button side by side, you can space it out by using this spacer. And as you can see, it's spaced out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I have plenty other tutorials just like this on my channel. Happy programming. Mass Programmer out.